already built in the frame and also added a shiplap wall and a ceiling. Excuse all these things in the cabinet, I just needed somewhere to store them. But yeah, this is where I am, this is the stage I am. This was not the plan I have for this cabinet. The frame up here was not the previous design I have for this cabinet. I wanted these two cabinets to stand on their own, and I'll have frame up there and on the side to make it look like a built-in cabinet standing on their own, and then have a wall-to-wall shiplap wall or backdrop. But when I framed this side, it looks slanted. As you can see, my ceiling up there, the way the design is laid on both sides, it is straight from here all the way to here, and then everything went down, slanted. So the ceiling on the wall here is shorter than here. So when I frame this side, it looks slanted. So I didn't like that look. I slept on it for a few days and see if I will get to like it, but I didn't. So what I went back to the drawing board again and came up with this idea, which I really love. The way this looked, it turned out, the way it is looking, I really love this design. This really made this place, the cabinet look like a built-in wall-to-wall. The only issue I have building this, that is why it took me a long time to finish it, my walls are not the same height. The walls are not straight, really. When you're doing a makeover, you will run into this kind of issues in your home. The walls are not always the same. They're not always straight. So I had to work with this, just wiggle. I don't know how to say it, just have to figure out a way to make this look straight, the frame to look straight. I've tried. It's not perfect, but it is looking good right now. You can't really tell until I show you. But it is really looking good. And it also made my table have gaps here because the walls are not straight. So I came up with this idea, just put the frame on the table, so which I'm gonna be painting to make everything look the same. So I'm gonna put the camera down and then paint the whole shiplap and the frame the same color, and I'll come back and show you how this is looking. I'll see you guys later. All right, my lovelies, here is the cabinet as I promised. It is all painted. The wall and the frame is painted. Excuse that reflection that you're seeing that is obstructing the video. It's my new light fixture that I've just changed in my office because I wanted something brighter. That's the reflection you're seeing, which I will share with you guys in the future. But this is how the cabinet is looking. It is so beautiful. I am really in love with the color. And that empty space you're seeing there on the wall, that is where my tripod and the tall salon equipment will be stored. So maybe in the future I'll just build a tall drawer that will cover up that area. But as of now, this is what the office is looking like. This is what the built-in cabinet is looking like. I am really in love with this plan. Seriously, the design is beautiful. The color coordination is perfect. I really love this. What do you all think? Leave a comment down below and let me know how I did, and please help me share this video with your family and friends. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be part of my YouTube family, and you will be notified whenever I post a new video. And to all my beautiful subscribers, thank you so much for being part of my YouTube family. Thank you for your support. Please help me share this video with your family and friends, and also give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Like I said, just help me interact with my video, which will help my channel to grow. Thank you all so much for being part of this journey of building this amazing wall-to-wall built-in cabinet for my office. I hope you all enjoyed this journey, and I hope to see you all on my next video. This is your girl Tixie saying bye till next time.